What if a bird could remember your face for years and warn its friends about you? Crows are insanely intelligent. If a crow thinks you're dangerous, it memorizes your face, not just for a day, for years. Scientists studying American crow discovered something wild. When researchers wore a dangerous mask and captured a crow, the bird never forgot the face. Even 5 years later, crow still screamed at that same mask. But here's the creepiest part. The crow didn't keep the secret. It taught other crows in the area to recognize the face too. So suddenly, birds that were never there before also started attacking the person wearing the mask. So if a crow ever stares at you for too long, just remember, you might already be on its blacklist.